it! Trip time!
Yeah, how long we were not with you on our beautiful station?
It's almost a running gag if we would do it more often, but doesn't matter. We decided to go today very spontaneously on a trip.
Yeah.
We go into the nature. I don't know how it's called.
It's called Tomašovský výhľad. We've never been there. Nati was, and she said that it's really worth it because it's not such a huge hike, but it's really nice. And yeah, we thought we could maybe go a little bit to the nature.
And we will now go to the station very quick because it was that spontaneous that we don't have almost no time anymore.
Yeah, we have like 15 minutes and we still want to buy some breakfast to eat in the train because we ate nothing today. It's a perfect organization.
It's always the same.
So let's just go. We have 6 minutes.
That's possible, that's possible.
And
we
coffee.
even made coffee and a little bit breakfast.
Yeah, it's in the bag.
The drain is freaking full.
Yeah, and we also catch like the oldest one ever, so adventure. It's adventurous. Trains are really nice though. Do you two like looking out of the window of the train?
What else you should do in the train, right?
Yeah, some people are listening to music, some people are
And I also love
making some quizzes and reading newspapers.
Yeah. But to be honest, I like the most to put like just headphones in and look outside of the window.
What's your best vlog for you? What's your favorite vlog today?
It's so hard to
It is hard to answer. I don't really think that I have one favorite vlog.
Our most successful video is almost the first one we ever made, and we are really bad. The cutting is not so good, the whole content is not good, how we are talking is not good, it's just not good. We are like so...
Yeah, because you have to get used to the camera, it's not so easy. I remember first time we put the camera up, we were like staring at it and we were like, so embarrassing.
And that's why I would like to put it away, but it's our biggest video. It has 200,000 views and we just keep it there, but we know it's not good. It's just like that. So I'm already considering to put like a little comment on it and say like, look, this is already really old, so maybe if you found this as a first video of us, maybe you want to check out the newer ones. But what is the best vlog?
Ooh, I have to look through our videos. Second. Okay, here for example, first photo shooting. I really love that vlog. That day was amazing.
Photo shooting one? I think I like the most the vlogs where we really go somewhere and also really show something. Maybe it would be even some Vienna vlog, like from the last time we were in Vienna with your family, for example.
Or Budapest Christmas trip, that was also cool.
But I also like the one where we were in Tatas for was it my birthday somehow?
Yeah.
I think so. That one I also like.
Maybe you can answer this question, guys. Write it in the comments. What is your favorite vlog of ours? But vlog.
Yeah, it has to be a vlog.
Okay, I'm interested in that.
I'm very afraid of that. So just write it down.
So on Tomašovský výhľad we are going.
So, and if you wonder how it's written, this is how it's written. And now say it one more time.
Tomašovský výhľad.
Exactly. So up there where all the people are going, looks like.
The Tatras are so beautiful.
They are very far away just on the cam. But they're visible, kind of.
So train, car or airplane?
Yeah, that was the question, right?
Now I have to say the most comfy way is the car. But
Yeah.
I like train ride, I don't have problem with it. And I kind of enjoy it, especially when we go like with the night train and we're sleeping there. It's adventurous, I like it. And airplane, of course, that's the coolest, but who have the money for it?
Car, as Simi said, very comfy. But I like the train, to be honest. If it's possible to go by train, it is very nice, especially small trips like this one. And the plane is for me not so nice because I'm afraid of it.
Yeah, you are.
So yeah, but if I would have to choose, maybe train.
Car.
Okay, good. So if you're interested how a Slovak village looks like, it's pretty much like this.
In the middle of nowhere.
The middle of nowhere. Houses, small little houses. Here's a little, I don't know, restaurant. Up there we have to walk. And then further, I guess.
Nobody knows because we've never been there.
Exactly. But here seems to be the main parking place. We just went here through the village. And we're getting higher and higher. So over there are the Tatras. Beep, 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 beep. Do we know how long we have to go there?
1 hour.
1 hour to walk?
How beautiful is that? That's really cool already, right?
I'm just sending my parents a picture of
That's really nice. So, here is another one. Maybe we can look where we should go. There. Tomašovský výhľad, the name actually means Tomašovský. It's because the village is called Tomašovce. And výhľad is a viewpoint actually, and there should be a cliff on the top where you can see the nice view.
And it's like really a hard cut.
Yeah, there should be really like a cliff, yeah. Here we are!
Don't fall.
I will not.
It's going way too far down there.
Do you like it here?
It's beautiful.
But you are afraid of the haze, right? I'm not, I'm good. Look, look, they are climbing.
Are they kids? There are even kids climbing. Or
Wow.
maybe they're just looking.
I want a picture how I sit on the cliff.
We will definitely do that, but I will not do it.
Yeah, you can just sit on some place that looks like a cliff, but it's not.
So how you want to have your photo? Without falling down, please?
Without falling down.
Ooh, I don't like that. So, okay. Simi is sitting. Now we just have to look that the people will be not in the way. Now we will make some photos. For me it's already hard to stand here on this place that close to the cliff. So, how do you like it here?
I really love it.
It's really cool, right? If I would be not so afraid, everyone is sitting on the edge all the time, and I'm just like, oh, don't fall.
Don't do it if you're afraid.
But it looks cool.
But we need a thumbnail.
We need a thumbnail, so
Let's ask someone to make us photo.
that would be great, actually.
Let's do that.
Here's a hook. See? We just put here like a rope through, and then I can sit.
Don't hold me on my pants.
I'm afraid.
Whenever I go close, then he's just like grabbing me so strong.
If something would be, I would have you.
No, we would rip my pants, and maybe even you would fall in the end.
No. If you are afraid and if you are in an emergency situation, you have the strength of a mother when she pulls up the car for the kid.
Yeah, that's sorry. We found another cool spot here, guys. Look at this.
Watch your step, cutie.
Beautiful. And here are also the protected flowers, and they're so beautiful. Proponiclets, we call them.
I don't know if you can see it, but they're so hairy. They're so soft.
Yeah. Come, we go slowly back. No, przestań. Stop it.
Here I'm brave already because it's not directly going down.
It's quite same.
No, there over there it's like ball. It goes in the back end down.
Yeah, that's
Here
true.
it's more like long.
And these lovely streets is here everywhere. It's really nice. I think I lost somewhere my hair tie.
You lost it?
Mm-hmm.
Shall I look for it?
Somewhere there. Mission, find my hair tie. How you can even know where we were? Ah, okay, there are the flowers. Somewhere there it will be.
There we go.
Thanks.
Still hairs on them.
You can clone me.
I can clone you. Oh, it would be nice to have two of you. Enjoying the last sun rays before we have to go. What are we doing?
Posting.
Instagram. Follow her on Instagram. then you saw her in something. So I have to say, how is it called again?
Tomašovský výhľad.
Tomašovský výhľad. Total recommendation from me. If you are in Slovakia and you want to go to a really cool place to just look a bit, have a short hike, not too long, not too strong.
It's really easy also for the kids.
Easy peasy, and it's so nice here. Danny approved. Let's go down.
Do you think I'm long enough that I can make a bridge from there till there?
You are long enough.
Oh yeah.
Definitely. It's not that far. But you have to hold yourself. Okay.
Come underneath me!
So while we are walking down again, we have time to answer questions again. What is next on our Instagram?
We have from Otto one. What are your jobs?
What are your jobs? Oh, that's pretty easy to answer.
Yeah, we're also often talking about it, but...
It's a very frequently asked question.
So you start.
I start. It's pretty easy. I have a little company for graphic design and I'm a graphic designer. That's pretty much all. This is my job. I'm a graphic designer.
Now I also make like marketing strategies and like advertising and so on.
Yeah, everything we do. No? And you?
I am a kindergarten teacher. That's my main job, and I'm also an instructor on a dancing class for kids.
So Simi is all around with the kids all the time.
Yeah.
Like really like almost 80% of her life, kind of. So that's what we are doing. I think I also saw another question if we play any instruments.
Yeah.
And I'm very good in playing the guitar.
But not.
But actually I would just love to play the guitar because I'm really not good in it. And Simi, what do you know?
I can play a recorder.
She's playing the recorder for school now, also she has to learn it for the school.
But I have a dream.
You have a dream? Ah yeah, you have a dream. Tell them about your dream.
I really want to play drums.
In a punk band.
No, I don't want to play in a punk band. I want to play drums.
In a punk band?
No, why punk? Why,
okay, in
why
a battle
would I
band.
Say that?
Because drums you need in good music.
Yeah, we made last time a joke with Timmy that we would make a band where you will play a guitar and also she will play a guitar there.
I think she is better in playing the guitar, but okay.
And I will play drums.
The recorder.
And it will be a reggae metal band and it will be called Regal.
The new genre, music genre.
Regal.
Regal.
Reggae metal.
Or in English, regal.
It's so cool.
Metal.
And now somebody will steal that from me.
I can be the singer.
Yeah, you will sing.
Or I will crawl at least like.
Yeah, that's what you will do. And to it, you know, reggae like. Look at that. That's so beautiful.
On what?
On
this little hay.
Yeah.
It's so small on the cam.
There you have to make a photo.
Beep, beep, beep.
Naked.
Yeah, of course. Naked. You make naked a photo there.
I go up.
So now, after she survived the edge of the mountain, she will die climbing up the... Oh yeah, that would be already too high for me again. No, I will definitely not go up there.
Come.
Nope. I'm just not that brave.
I will at least show them. Are we going? I have a question for you.
Yes?
Are you more hungry or thirsty?
Yeah. To be honest, I'm both very much.
Yeah, that's why I ask you.
We are almost entering the village already and then into the train and then we are hopefully on the way home and then we can eat.
That's the goal.
That's the goal.
Yay, newer one!
Could be worse.
We are lucky this. Perfect.
Oh!
Disco, we are back!
Party lights! Guys, so this was our so this was our little trip to
Tomašovský výhľad.
Tomašovský výhľad. Very hard to say, but it was really lovely and already a couple of weeks ago.
Oh yeah, it's so embarrassing.
It's really embarrassing. Simi is all the time sitting at home, learning, doing things for her school.
I was editing this video like over 2 weeks. It was not possible for me to sit once on it and just do it. It was like 1 hour here, 1 hour there. Today we finally finished it. and we are very happy that we can give it to you, show you what we did, and also tell you a little bit what's going on.
As you know, for all the people waiting for our videos, we know it because we get a lot of messages from you guys that you are waiting and that you are missing new videos and so on, and we know it, and we are also very sad about it actually, because we really just don't have time at the moment to film so much, to go on trips. If you follow us on Instagram, you can do that, of course. We post there, we try to post there sometimes something.
My school, I would say it's like on the finish line already.
Yeah, finally.
Finally, and it's really last month now, guys. On 27th of May, I am completely done, and if I will do everything what I hope I will, then no more school, so no more excuses. I will have just my jobs, and finally
just your jobs is also funny, but yeah, the school is falling away. I remember the time when we made the video, everything will change now. It was 2 years ago when you got your new job in the kindergarten, when you started the school, and now these 2 years are already gone.
That was cool.
And over. It was actually quite quick.
But let's not talk about it too early, because I'm still not done.
What if you don't make it? No, she will make it. I see her every day doing some other things. She had already tests, so many tests, but soon it will be better, and I'm looking forward to it already. I feel like I want to make some challenge videos or some games again.
I want to make everything. I want to make so many more videos. I'm looking forward to that, and I hope that we will catch you on our 5,000 subbies.
Oh, that will be very soon, I think.
So we could make again live stream, and we could make some special videos, and yay! Last month, guys. Stick with us, please don't leave now. We will still post a little bit here and there over the months. We will not be like completely silent, but it's definitely lesser.
Yeah, we are also very thankful that you are sticking with us. We know it because we always see still comments coming into old videos, or we even got comments like, oh, while we are waiting, we are watching the old videos again, and so on, which is really lovely from you.
So thank you so much for watching, guys, and sticking with us, and we love you. And yeah, let us know what is your favorite vlog.
Yeah, that's what we asked, right? Okay, so let us know what is your favorite vlog. See you very soon, and
definitely
Ahoj!
Bye!
In this video we are talking about jealousy in a relationship.
How to deal with jealousy and how to maybe even overcome jealousy.